Mm-hmm.
You see how wonky it is?
Amani, Mara, you guys. Amani. Thank you. Thank you for the picture. Pretty, 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 pretty. Come on. Well, yes, guys, we're having a little train experience. Isn't it nice?
Well, Mommy is so
We're waiting for the train.
Yeah, but when they want to play in
Huh?
and we have 25 minutes until it comes.
Wow.
Well, now only
We
23.
might as well just enjoy the view.
Let's close everything.
Let's, oh,
But
it's still under
I'm
construction.
looking for, it's no any panel working.
Hmm.
No any panel is working.
Boring.
When is the train going to come?
Soon, honey.
Next
Are you feeling cold already? Yeah?
How are
Okay.
you guys feeling